What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about the black car. Now, the black car always kind of lived in this weird space where I didn't want to modify it too much because it's a 99. People kind of frowned upon the 99s being touched too much, and it kind of hurts the resale of them. But I was always going to do some wheels, some basic parts, and lower it a little bit. But at the same time, this one has higher mileage. It does need some paint and body work here and there. And it's my car, so I'm going to do what I want. Today we're going to be doing some interior stuff, and we're going to see what's in these boxes. So yes, I got some seats. They're probably some NRGs or something. Let's see. Alright, I know there's a lot of fakes out there, or replicas, and really good replicas. I did check these seats before I purchased them versus every known good, genuine bride seat, or how to tell the difference. And I know replicas has gotten really close. I'm pretty positive that these are genuine. I checked the serial numbers on the bride site, and these appear to be the real deal. Let's go ahead and get these stock seats out. I'm gonna steam clean the carpet because it's pretty nasty, and install these new seats. Alright, now that we have the seats out, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it before I pull the carpet out. And I'm going to use this rental tool to deep clean it. Alright everyone, it's a new day. The carpet is cleaned, the floor is vacuumed and cleaned, and we're going to go ahead and put the carpet back in and then install the seats. I'm extremely happy with the way these turned out. I always wanted a set of these ever since I seen them in a black NSX way back in the day. The interior in this is pretty much done the way I want it for the most part. There's only two more things. I don't know which steering wheel I'm going to put in it, and I really want to get there's an optional JDM GTO shift knob made out of titanium, and it's extremely hard to find. Those are the only two things I'll probably change in the interior, outside of maybe some carbon fiber door sills or something like that. But the interior is pretty much done. Later on this year, I might end up building the engine and putting bigger turbos on it. If not by the end of this year, probably sometime next year. The next video that's going to come out that I'm already working on is starting this.